Hi, I'm Peggy Ayers,
And I'm Trish Toutloff.
and we're here from CIBM Mortgage to give you a mortgage tip or a financial tip of the day.
Yes. So it is all over the news that prices of homes are rising rapidly. I know you guys have heard that.
And it's so important that if you own a home currently, that now is the time to give your insurance agent a call and make sure that you have enough coverage on that home.
Absolutely. And so it's important that you have enough coverage to first cover your mortgage, because you need that to be paid off in the event of a total loss. But not just that, but you have to have enough to rebuild your home. Don't forget, not only are prices of homes rising, but also material costs are rising as well, building materials. So you want to make sure that you check every single year with your agent and sit down with them and have a full conversation about, not just the value of your house, but what it should actually be insured for to cover you properly.
And with that, you always want to talk to them to make sure that you have the proper insurance coverage on your vehicles, on, life insurance. You may have had a child recently, something on that order. One of the spouses may have quit working
That's
or
right.
reduced hours. So you definitely want to have a conversation with your insurance agent on an annual basis when it comes up for renewal.
That's right. And that's our tip for today. Thank you guys so much for listening in.
Thanks, and have a wonderful day.